Okay, today we're going to do a shootout between the CC Radio EP Plus, the latest version with the 9 and 10 KC step switch on the back, and the Challenger is a restored by me GE Super Radio 2. They were always a great performer. GE called it the Super Radio for a couple of reasons. Number one was AM and FM sensitivity, and the second was fidelity. They've got a 5-inch low frequency driver in it and a little 2.5-inch piezo tweeter. One of the things that happens with all electronic products are the electrolytic capacitors, and you can see them up here. Those are the old ones. Dry out. Even if you don't turn it on, they dry out and they age. And the result is muddy audio. It doesn't tune right. It's not as sensitive. The radio just starts to age. And it's a trialsome job to swap all the caps out. So at any rate, let's take a listen. First is the CC radio. So I turn it up. The volume's up all the way. And you can hear a female voice. It's a religious broadcaster. I've got to place the radios this way so that they can pick up this station. If I turn it too much, it starts going away. All right, so there's the CC radio. Let's try the Super Radio. And with the Super Radio, you can actually understand what's being said. In fact, if you hope the microphone's picking it up, but the Super Radio is actually picking up a second station, as it's 2:30 in the afternoon Eastern here, and I think critical hours start at 2:15, so we're 15 minutes into critical hours. Sunset here for the AM stations to change patterns is 4:15 right now. So anyway, let's turn this down again. Let's turn the CC radio back on. There's a voice there, but there's only one voice. And the twin coil is peaked. And back to the Super Radio. Now let's do that fidelity test. And there's the Super Radio. Let's see what we've managed to. I'll turn it on first, huh? Not bad. And back over to the Super Radio. audio quality is a matter of personal taste, so you decide. But this radio has been completely restored. The controls have been rebuilt, and I mean taken apart and repaired so they don't scratch anymore. There's all the old capacitors that come out. Also, in the FM section, the IF filter that's in there is very, very wide, way too wide for a monaural radio. So I replace it with a high quality Murata filter that's much narrower, but it's not so narrow as to denigrate the sound. But when you tune it, the stations just pop in and out.
Doing the job he swore he would do. State's Republican senators win re-election next week.
And
Trump blasted Kemp for not recognizing him as the legitimate winner of the state's presidential race. Joe
along
Biden
along as you tune it.
Obstructionist.
So anyway, there's the shootout,
and that is what he's doing. No one.
It's something for you to consider. You can find these on eBay for anywhere from, oh geez, I saw one for $25 the other day, but watch the shipping on the low price radios. It was $25, but $59 shipping, and I can tell you from experience, to ship one from the East Coast here in Virginia to California is about $18, and that's with declaring the value with UPS. So watch out for shipping. Anyway, top end on these, you see them go up in the $75 and $80 range for nice ones. Every once in a while, you'll see one show up that's new in the box. That's the original box and packing. It's not this radio, it's another one. But those can command a lot of money. I've seen them sell for as much as $350, $200, and then to restore one costs, something in the range of $75 to $100, depending on what kind of shape it's in, because it's almost an all-day task to do restore one to the level that I do. So there's the shootout. Make up your mind, but there's some grist for the mill. First bought it, and